everybody, today we have some new toy collection. We have some Animal World Zoo Safari collection, gorilla, brown bear, crocodile, rhinoceros, tiger. On the other hand, we have some Wild Safari Zoo animal collection. So keep watching and let's unbox together. Firstly, we have a brown bear. A brown bear is a carnivorous animal. A gorilla. Gorillas are omnivorous animals. A rhinoceros with big horns. Rhinoceros are beastly animals which are herbivores. Next we have a crocodile. Crocodiles are beastly reptiles which are meat eater. They have one of the biggest jaws. A giraffe. Giraffes are herbivorous animals. They are called wild animals and also they are found at your nearest zoo. Hippos are the world's third largest mammals. Hippos are one of the best swimmers in the world. Wow, we have a tiger. Tigers are carnivorous animals. They are one of the most dangerous hunters. A lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Zebras are herbivorous animals. They have unique pattern of stripes on their bodies. Wow, we have a panda. Pandas are one of the most endangered species in the world. A tiger. Next we have a kangaroo. Kangaroos are found in Australia and New Zealand. They have pouches which carries their babies. A lioness is the female of a lion. Wow, next we have a deer. Deers are herbivorous animals with strong horns on their head. Lastly, we have an elephant. Elephants are the world's largest mammal on Earth.